existing code will be there in the built-in function. So in the API methods also, and we have the two types of API methods, that will be the paid API, and that will after that we have the own, right? We are writing the own APIs. Okay, so in very big applications we need to use the paid APIs only. So already we have the API developers and all, and we have four types of methods for build a API. So that will be get, post, put and delete. And here the get the method means we need to retrieve the data from a server, and post means we need to post the data and we need to send the data to the server for creating a new resource as well. And put means we need to fetch the data, and already we have the API and all the things, and already existing the code, we need to update the existing resources and all the things. Okay, so delete the data means particular parameter, and based on parameter we need to delete the data from the server side. Okay, so I'm going to build one programming using APIs here. So using the fetch method. So already we have in the online the free API calls, so I'm going to use that. So this is the free APIs. In these free APIs, so browse API all. I think we are not founding. So this is the API. What is the API? We will see in the Postman. Postman I don't have. So Postman we will use for testing the API, how the data will be fetched. Okay, so I'm going to build the one program here using API. So this is one API. So here dot then, and here we need to use response. So response dot JSON. What is JSON? And already in the JSON we have the two types of structures, the data. Sorry, we have the three types of data structures. That will be the structured data. Already we learned yesterday's class. Structured data, unstructured data, structured data, unstructured data, and the semi-structured data. Semi-structured data we have. So in the semi-structured data it will be found JSON object. So that will be the key pair values, or in that key pair values. So suppose this is the name, and here name. So this is the key, and I'm going to providing the value here like this. So this is the structured way. So this is the semi-structured way. This is the JSON object, and the structured way means I'm going to show you one small example here using SQL Server. Okay. So this is some big software, so it will take bit of second here. So I'm going to connecting to the server. Okay, so I'm going to connecting to the server, and I'm going to writing the one new query here. So something query I'm writing, already we have in the master branch. So I'm going to take one aggregate function here. So select star from table, that will be students I'm going to take. So all the data will be printed here. So I'm going to execute a query. Sorry, the student. Wait, I will will take one databases here. So data types, tables, one table I will take. So sorry, here the data, so it is one process to create one table, to create table and all the things. So I'll show you. Here the table is there, the table name students. Okay, students. So this is the college data, so we need to select the college data here. Okay, so I'm going to fetch this. So this is the structured way. This is the structured way in the rows and columns. This is the structured way in the data. So in the semi-structure, the chunk of data is, we don't know how it will be, the body and the raw data will be presented. So I'll show you chunk of data. So here chunk of data, it is in irrelevant data is there. I'll show you some image. So we don't know how it will be present. So see here, like this the data will not understand. So this is like a structured data. So first we need to filter the data into the semi-structure. After that it will be presented in the structured way. So like that the data will be taken as, and after that, so I will take one example using this data. So this is the JSON object. So in this JSON object I am going to present then, so data using arrow function. Arrow function means what? So console, this is a printing statement, console.log. What is arrow function, Kavya? I'm getting users list. Okay, I'm getting I need to print the users list. So we will see. So here it is not presenting. So in the JSON object we need to take the some loop here. So for data dot for each, data dot for each, data dot for each, data dot for each, user okay. So here console dot log, so user dot id, so I'm going to do in here the concatenation. So how the structured way it will be present. User dot name. Okay, I'm going to write a condition here using catch function. Console.log error we will see something error is fetch API in the JSON object. Fetch. What is the users we have in the list? Users list wants to be present here, but it is not presenting. Okay, response we need to take as a response only. We don't want to use like this. So this is the response. Porsche.io, it is not getting. Wait a second. Error అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. Users.list. Porsche.io. So we will see it will be presented or not. We need to actually it wants to be print the users list here. Okay, we will see. So it is not presenting. Why? Because
URL ఏమైనా రాంగ్ ఉందా?
లాంగ్ ఏం లేదు, కరెక్ట్గానే ఉంది.
సెర్చ్
ఒక నిమిషం, అది వెబ్ ఏపీఐ అనే డాట్ అని ఇచ్చాను. యూఆర్ఎల్ అనేది కరెక్టే ఇచ్చాను. సో ఏపీఐని ఫెచ్ చేసే పద్ధతి అయితే ఇదే. సో ఇంటర్నల్ యాక్చువల్లీ బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ప్రింటింగ్ మీన్స్ I think so. this dot API we need to get right here. Okay, we need to take the UI also, UI part also we need to take, and after that we need to fetch the script here. So we didn't take any we didn't take any UI part here, right? So I will take the UI part first. After that we need to call here. So API.html, okay? So .html or .htm, right? HTML or HTM. So here I'm going to copy this. Fetch the data. Okay, first we need to take terminal here. -v. So this is in the version that will be 16.2, and after that we need to install npm install node fetch package here. Okay, node fetch. Okay, so after that we need to use this code. API అనేది హిట్ అవుతుంది, బట్ ఏంటంటే మనకు చూపించట్లేదు ఇక్కడ UI పార్ట్లో. వి విల్ సీ. ఇక్కడ చూడు, యారేస్ అనేవి 10 ప్రెజెంట్ అయినాయి మనకి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద API వీ హ్యావ్? ఇక్కడ మనకి UI పార్ట్లో చూపించట్లేదు యాక్చువల్గా. సో ఇక్కడ అనేది మనకి చూపిస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ యూజర్స్ అనేది ఇచ్చుకున్నాం మనం, అవునా? సో ఇక్కడ కూడా మనం యూజర్స్ అనేది ఇచ్చుకున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్ళి మనకి API అనేది సర్వర్లోనే హిట్ అవుతుంది. So it is hitting from the API from the server. So these all are API. What the data is there. So already the 10 arrays is there in that API. Okay. So this is how to fetch the API from the using front end. So I didn't write any front end here. Just I have written the fetch example. That's it. So this is the API. Okay. So this is the application programming interface for fetch API I have used. So using this we need to take in the database, we need to connect